Hey, I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and in this new series, Footings to Finished, we're building 8 new homes here at Oakland Ridge in Pelham, New Hampshire. Whenever the house starts to actually look like a house, that's when it gets really exciting for both us and the buyers. Let's take a quick tour inside and see what the guts of the house look like. Building a new home is such an incredible experience, and our team is here to help simplify the process. We're going to walk you through step by step so you always know exactly what's going on with your build, and we even have great experts that are going to help you pick out all of your finishes with your allowances. That's right, you're going to customize your home and you're going to make it exactly how you want it. There's really nothing better. If you're loving this new construction content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you always know when I post new content Wednesdays at 5 p.m. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week on Footings to Finished.